After 8 years, finally nakabalik kami sa bansang to. Hi, we are Here Come the Tans and I'm sharing with you our 4-hour flight with 3 kids. First stop, travel tax, tapos check-in, and then nag-immigration na kami na walang katao-tao. Lagi namin ginagawa, paglagpas ng immigration, pinupuntahan muna namin yung boarding gate namin para alam na namin kung saan kami pupunta kapag kakain kami. After nun, hanap kami ng kainan. Nag-try kami dito kay Katunying and nag-order kami ng breakfast plates nila. Since maaga kami sa airport, marami pa kaming time to walk around and pinag-breastfeed ko muna yung twins para hindi sila maging cranky. And pag malapit na yung boarding time, nagsistay na kami sa boarding gate. At ayan, ready to board na. Kamusta nga ba yung kids sa flight? Lalo na yung twins kasi medyo mahaba-haba yung flight namin ngayon. Minake sure ko na meron akong dalang mga toys para sa kanila and mga coloring materials at books na magagamit nila para maaliw sila. So far, naging effective naman yung mga dala ko at some point. Tapos, nag-nap sila during the flight. Since breastfed yung twins, during takeoff and landing, nag-breastfeed sila para mabawasan yung ear pressure. And finally, we made it to Japan. Stay tuned for more videos. That's it. Thank you for watching!